First, you want to look and make sure you're hiring an expert in the field of criminal law. Expertise is invaluable. You want to look for the length of time that they've been an attorney. You want to look and see whether or not this is what they specialize in, which means that they will be keeping up on the case law. They will be understanding the dynamics that are involved in the motions to suppress, things such as that. The second thing you want to look for is courtroom experience. You want to make sure it's someone who has tried cases, someone who's comfortable in the courtroom, somebody who's been around the individuals in the courtroom, that being the judge, the prosecutors, someone who's dealt with them before. That way you are able to understand what's coming before it actually happens. And then the most important part is you have to be able to trust your attorney. At the end of the day, you'll have to make the decision as to whether or not you want to enter into some sort of plea of guilty or you want to take the case to trial. You want to make sure that your attorney is providing you with the adequate information you need to be able to make that informed decision. People ask me what I specialize in, and I tell them that I specialize in major crimes and violent crimes. I spent 12 years in the Greene County Prosecutor's Office, and when I left, I was head of the Major Crimes Unit. We dealt with all the assaults, most of the homicides. During that time, I got a lot of trial experience in dealing with those homicides and assaults, and I learned that I really enjoy being in front of the court. I really enjoy being in front of a jury. Jury trials are complicated, but when you're dealing with a jury trial on a serious assault or a homicide, it is astronomically complicated and complex. I will tell you that when dealing with a jury trial, you have to know from the very start to the very end what you're doing. From the picking of the jury to doing your opening statements, to the questioning of witnesses, through to the closing statements, and then obviously asking the jury to come back with some sort of a finding of not guilty. I have the expertise to deal with those from now a criminal defense perspective. And that expertise is something that is needed by many of my clients. And therefore, I can use that expertise that I've honed over the last 13, 14 years to provide them with great representation on these serious, serious cases.